Guys, this market, it hasn't been easy lately. It really hasn't, unless if you were at the very, very top of your game. And if you are, I don't know why you would be watching this video, but for a lot of people, the stock market right now, the crypto market, it's even worse. Okay, but this is a video more about the stock market itself and just my thoughts on everything, like why it's changed so much, why essentially the market went from easy mode to hard mode, and what do we do from here. That's what this video is going to be based about. So I'm going to pull up these charts and just to give you guys an idea, because it's been difficult for a lot of people. So right now we're just looking at the SPY. Okay, it's 3 p.m. on a Friday. The stock market's still open right now. Some of these moves that we are seeing, and they are mainly because of Nvidia. It's hard to explain. And it's always easy to just say the market makers are behind this. It's very easy to say. You know, people said that about Apple, and Apple basically was the #1 stock in the entire market that controlled literally everything. And now we have like something different in play. Okay, now it's Nvidia. Now Nvidia is the top dog, the biggest top dog there is. And just some of these moves we're getting, they are just insane. You have the biggest stock in the world moving like a meme stock, and there's a lot of pump fakes. And these pump fakes, it's not only sucks for people trading like Nvidia, but it also sucks for everyone else that has the smaller stocks, right? Like if we look at IWM, this is going to be the small caps. Most of these small cap stocks, right? The small cap index is up 3% in one day. In one day, let's look at it on the 3 month. And it's like you see it right here too. You see just how much like it came up or trending up. Okay, then like at the end of October, it starts to go in hard mode. Like you have these pump ups, faded down, pump up, faded down, gap up, fade down. This you get hit both ways, up and down. And you know these like just 5 trading days in a week, it gets difficult, man. There is like fatigue that comes with it. It will wear you out trading this market. Like let me know guys down below. Like let me know if this wears you out, because oh my god, it's been frying my brain. And this volume right here is actually a very good sign. That's still the red candle because of Nvidia, you know. And it's like I want to show you guys the craziest move I've ever seen in the stock market, and I've been in the stock market almost 10 years at this point, and this move that we've seen in the last like 2 days, let's just do a 5-day 15-minute. The move we had yesterday where we gapped up on Nvidia earnings. You know, we were looking good. Nvidia beat earnings. Everyone expected Nvidia to beat earnings. Even though it's like there was a 7% expected move, it gapped up maybe 3%, went up to 5%. And then it felt like a rug pull. This right here, it genuinely felt like a crypto rug pull. I've never seen a market be up 2% on the day, and then you end the day almost down 2%. That's a 4% swing in one day. Like it makes more sense when you start off flat or something. Like it makes more sense when you're like here, and then it's like okay, you go down 4%. Like okay, I get that. But to gap up 2% and end the day down 2%, all because of one stock, it will fry your brain, and it'll make you think, dude, this is not fair. Like why is this happening to me? And it's like it's not supposed to be fair. You know, it may make you angry. It's not supposed to be fair. It never is. It's never like these market makers don't be like, okay, I think we've done enough to them. Let's just put it on easy mode for a while. Honestly, some of the best times to trade is when the market is not moving, because if it's not moving much up or down, there's a lot of individual stocks that have like their own breaths. Like they can go up, they can go down, but it's like it's easier to control from a market maker perspective than it is to just deal with these moves like this, okay? And now this is Nvidia. You see, just let's look at the 1 day. So we had some news right here. This is news. You know, it's crazy. It's like it's getting hit like a meme stock. You know, it's getting news like a meme stock. The rumor is that there's internal talks in the Trump administration that Nvidia is going to be able to sell H200s to China. It's like basically like them selling dollar store chips to China, while USA gets to keep the good ones. But hey, it pumped the market, man. Like this news right here, it pumped the market. We're fading down off of it. Nvidia is basically flat on the day right now. Like this about here. Let me move it down a tiny bit. This is about flat on the day. If we come down here, so we've already had the big drawdown, 170 to 180 in just 1 day. And then if we look at the SPY, it looks right. It looks exactly like it, you know, like it's supposed to. 'Cause Nvidia is the biggest component of it now. It controls it, but like when it controls it to this extent, it's not very good. And then you have over 50% of stocks, like stocks in the IWM. Let's look at the market watch. Let's look at some of these in the Russell. Okay, they're all green today. They should be, right? They definitely should be. But most of these stocks, they are down a lot. Like off their highs, they are down so much. And even in the past month, they are down like way below their 200-day moving average, which is an average over 200 days. So for them to be down below that, it almost gives you like some death crosses, and that's why like some of these moves have been intense. Let's for example, we can look at Rocket Lab. I don't think Rocket Lab's the best company in the world, but this is one example. One example, 20 days. The last 20 days. That's things have gotten difficult in the last month to 2 months. Like genuinely. We look at over a 3-month period. You see steady uptrend, breakout. Like you can understand this coming down more. Let's give you another one. Let's look at SoundHound. Like this is pretty crazy too. You go from $12 up to 20, down to 10. It's like some of these moves are bigger than like what you're seeing in the market. Like you won't be able to see this with just Nvidia, with just the SPY, with just the Russell. But like if you look deep into these names, it's difficult, man. Like it truly is. Let's look at Energy Fuels, Quad U. 8, 27, down. And it's like I know I'm looking at like some of these people might say like super volatile crazy names, but this is just how a lot of the stocks are right now. Let's give you another example, another energy one, uranium energy, like this one, even this one. Let's look at it again. Okay, $10 to 18, all the way down to 11. It's this last month and a half, it's been super difficult, and this puts you almost right on the money. October 8th to now, this has been difficult. Like if you've been, even if you've been buying the dip on this, like yeah, it's like you're getting hit left and right on these, and then just to top it off, you have this huge pump fake by Nvidia, and this will kill people, man. Like this genuinely shook people out so much. We gapped up so good. They had perfect earnings, and then now you're just they just actually reverse that whole move. I think this was the turning point for a lot of people. Like this is where you need to like take a hard look at yourself, at your accounts that you have. You have to be like, okay, I need to lock in. I need to take this serious, or else I'm gonna lose it all. And I think that's what a lot of us need to do here right now. And I like you can even see like sometimes I'm getting frustrated, man. I'm getting frustrated. Whether it's like Counter Strike, whether it's stock market, I do a lot of different things. But I'm saying here in the Discord, you guys can join it if you want to. You should be able to see it in my profile. He's my moderator saying he's about to go get a part-time job. I'm like I might be doing it too with you. Like I might have to at this point. I don't know if this shit's gonna work out because of how difficult this market's been. And then if it's difficult, it like messes with your confidence, man. I don't know if you guys feel the same way. It's like even if you've been doing it for a long time, it will mess with your confidence when it's like you don't know if you're doing the right thing, and sometimes just you make the right moves and they still go the other way. It makes you feel like you're really dumb. And I don't know, guys, just let me know how you're feeling down below. I just wanted to like make this video. It's maybe some other people are feeling the same way, but it's been a difficult market, and I just want you guys to know that you're not alone, whoever sees this video. And I'll make some more videos and stuff, and hopefully we have some better updates and better news. But yeah, peace.